Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just walking around West Lake here in Hanoi. There's lots of fishermen here. I just had a coffee. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's an interesting fishing nets they got here. I think they just drop them over the fence here and then let them sit for a while and then pull them up later in the day, probably. Later in the evening. I'm just headed to this temple area behind me. It's on the peninsula that kind of juts out into the lake. It's on the, where are we? East side, yeah. East side of the lake. It's on the east side of the West Lake. You've got a lot of construction going on this street, and occasionally there's some sort of rattling of a air conditioner or something going on. I'm having a real challenge with the audio today. Whenever I speak, there's another scooter that rolls by or some random sound of someone clanking something, building something on their house. I don't know. Anyway, let's go to the temple. I'll show you some sights and sounds of the temple and the people. So I just exited the temple area. I'm heading north along the lake right now. There's lots of people selling food and snacks, a few other things for the temple if you want to leave something just by the at the shrines there. Looks like rice cake, some fruit and other things. There's another gate here in front of me. So this gate behind me is actually the gate to this other temple called the Bull Temple. Let's go have a look at that. There's some people fishing here as well. It's definitely a place for people to come and take pictures. I've never seen so many people taking pictures in front of temples before in Vietnam. I feel like I'm the only foreigner here. If you're in the old quarter, it's all foreigners with a mixture of Vietnamese, I guess, but here it's mostly locals. I'll show you the Bull Temple. I find it somewhat amusing that people have contributed Heineken and stacks of Coca-Cola to the shrine. Okay, let's go check out more of the temple at the back here. There's a few more things to see. So if you head north, you hit this park area along the river. There's a lot of people walking their dogs, and there's like a bus drop-off place there. I guess a lot of tourists come here to visit the temples. I'm not sure what that was when I exited. There was a group of people doing scripture, I think it was. They were dressed in red. There's a dog doing his business in front of me here. I'll try not to get that on camera. He's finished, it's okay. There's a turtle here that's like the size of your palm, but it's not moving. I don't know if it's alive. Oh yeah, it is. Its eyes just moved. I'll try to get a close up so you can see more. It doesn't seem to react to anything. So a Vietnamese couple just came by to see what I was looking at here, and the man just touched the turtle, and we discovered that it's dead. Yeah, he's seen better days. Alright, let's head further north and I'll give you guys a few more views of the lake as I go.